Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we got another package to unbox. This is the Black Mirror capsule. Actually, before I unbox it, make sure you guys check out bigwhiteedc.com. You can use my code DailyDoseOfFidgets at Gmail. You can use my code DailyDoseOfFidgets at checkout to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, I will leave all the links down below to this product and just his site. And yeah, here it is. I believe this is in titanium. All right, let me just put this aside and let's get right into it. All right. All right, I'm gonna put that right there. Put this in the box. And I'm gonna get my scale out. All right. Oops. It is 53 grams even. That's pretty cool. Black Mirror. It's got that Ghosts logo stuff in the back. Oh, it's got like nice clicks to it. This reminds me of the CP3s I have. One sec. Alright, so here are my CP3s. This is the Loudy X Mackie Studio Zircon stainless steel, gold plated, stainless steel, stone washed, and then the Mackie X all things spinning collab. So it's a pretty similar like motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where this is always show 1, 2. But it's the same thing, you know what I mean? Go one direction. It's really snappy, which I like about it. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna put these right here. And then I'm gonna open this thing up. Oh, it's number 22 out of 100. It's pretty cool. So these are also limited. I like when stuff is limited. But yeah. So this is the piece that connects here. And then connects there. And that's how it slides. Pretty cool. I mean, it's really snappy. Here, let me actually check the decibels. This is gonna be really loud, I can already tell. $84. Yep. Pretty loud actually, yeah. But I kind of like it. Actually, I think... so it's 3 magnets, but it's only a 2-click. This reminds me of... This reminds me of my 01 pods, the V2 and then the V1. As you guys can see, they are 3 magnets, but it's a 2-click. And that is because the middle magnets are, so if you guys can see, the middle magnets are not magnetic to this piece. Only the sides are. They're the opposite polar. So whenever you're sliding it, whenever you use the middle part, it like pushes it out, making it easy to slide. Same with this thing. It's really easy to slide. But yeah, pretty cool. And that's pretty similar to this thing. 1, 2, 1, 2. So yeah, they're actually more similar in shape and function to the 01 instead of the Mackeys. But yeah, it's a bit too loud, but I mean, I don't mind it. I'm gonna put these things away right now. One sec, guys. Yeah, like I said, it's a bit like kind of too loud, but it's not to the point where I like not gonna use it because it's too loud. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure again to check out bigwhiteedc.com. Use my code DailyDoseOfFidgets at checkout to get 10% off your entire order. I will link this down below, as well as just his site and his Facebook group. So yeah, check him out down below, and see you guys in the next unboxing.